Today I'm going to talk about why the trading tortoise always wins the race. The slow and steady approach is the way that you are going to become a profitable long-term Forex trader. Let's get into that more right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach for video and podcast number 549. Middle of winter here in New Zealand in June, and we're already halfway through the year. But on a cracking day like this, I had to get outside and make the video today. One of the enjoyments of trading and working from home. So in terms of trading, obviously everybody wants to be profitable. When people get into trading, they generally want to get into it pretty quick, bit of a hiss and a roar. I had an email just last night from someone that said, hey Andrew, I'm ready to give up on trading. I've been going for 3 months and it's just not working. I'm going to close my account. And I wrote back to him and said, look, mate, you're absolute brand new, complete novice beginner at 3 months. You know nothing at 3 months. And so I explained to him that, if you're going to take this trading business seriously, you can't be like all up and down like that. You can't be hot and cold like that. It's, and that's where it comes back to the title I said about, the tortoise wins the race. You remember the story about the hare and the tortoise? You probably learned it as a kid, how, everybody wants to be the hare. They all want to run off and get done really quick, no effort, no background work, and trading is exactly the same, and I see it all the time. This guy last night was a classic example, absolute classic example. 3 months, I know it all, and it's not working, and it's the market's fault. No, it's your fault. And the reality is that, you do need to take that slow, steady tortoise approach, because if you're going to do this, like I've been doing this 20 years, and it took me 4 years to get anywhere. So I can promise I understand the frustrations of being a few months into it and it's not working, but also someone that's been around for probably longer than anybody else or listen to or view. I can tell you the approach that's going to work properly long term. So that would be my advice, the slow, steady approach. The reason, or one of the reasons, is that as well, a lot of people want to get into prop firms these days, which is absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to be putting out some information very shortly about how we can help you to get into prop firms. I think for the right person, they're an absolute fantastic way of making substantial gains from your trading. But again, if you're out there being the hare trying to rush into a prop firm after a week, if you're out there taking like silly risks trying to pass the prop firm, it's not going to work. Ultimately, the aim of trading is not to lose capital, it's to preserve funds, whether it's your own money, and it hurts when it's your own money, when it goes wrong. If it's a prop firm, it's their money, it's not your money. They have drawdown rules and limitations for a reason. So respect that and work out how you can make your trading work while keeping within those rules. And that again comes back to the tortoise approach. Very low risk, steady, consistent trading will get you through not only to be a good trader, but a profitable prop firm trader, if that's the route that you want to go down. Making silly mistakes, blaming, the market conditions, all those type of things. You have to accept that different market conditions require you to trade differently. When the conditions are good, and if you have a trending system and the market's trending on multiple pairs, take the trades. If the market's quiet, it's not really happening, then don't take the trades. It comes down to common sense and trading what the market is presenting you with at the time. So being consistent, you will win. And that's really how you're going to get ahead in your trading. So I hope that helps. If you would like to jump on my 17-minute masterclass, we've really shortened the masterclass down. It's an on-demand, pre-recorded, so you can just jump on and watch it when you have 17-20 minutes to jump on board. I'll put a link to that. If you'd like to book a call, like a live call with myself or one of my team, I'll put a link to that as well. And if you're out there looking for a very good Forex broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. Their MT5 platform has so many markets, great spreads, really good bunch of people. And I've been dealing with Blueberry Markets, as have a lot of people I've sent their way for many, many years. So have a look on the links provided as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe or share the video if you're watching it. Any topics you'd like me to cover on future videos, podcasts, just like this, just send me an email, leave a comment, or email me, Andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. and I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.